peaceful valley, there lives a big, gentle dragon named Drake. Drake has one tiny problem. He gets the most outrageous hiccups. Every time he hiccups, a puff of smoke escapes from his nostrils, causing everyone to giggle. One sunny day, Drake is flying over the valley, enjoying the fresh air when, hiccup! A cloud of smoke shoots out, startling the birds nearby. He tries to control his hiccups, but they just keep coming. Drake lands in the village to ask his friend, a wise owl named Hootie, for advice. But every time he tries to speak, another hiccup escapes, sending tiny flames into the air. The villagers giggle as Drake apologizes, but they offer some funny advice to cure his hiccups, like standing on his head or holding his breath. Drake tries everything, but nothing works. His hiccups get wilder, making him bounce up and down, accidentally setting a few bushes on fire. Drake decides to try all the villagers' funny remedies. First, he stands on his head while hiccuping, which makes him dizzy. Then, he holds his breath until his face turns purple. But as soon as he exhales, hiccup! He even tries spinning around 3 times while balancing a teacup on his nose. Nothing works, but it creates a lot of laughter. The villagers cheer him on, but by now, Drake's hiccups are getting more dramatic, with tiny puffs of smoke and sparks shooting out at random. Drake's hiccups are now out of control. He hiccups so hard that he accidentally sets off a chain reaction, sending the village's laundry flying into the air and knocking over a cart full of apples. The villagers laugh even harder as their clothes land on rooftops, and apples roll all over the place. Hootie tells Drake that maybe laughter is the best cure, and Drake's hiccups might go away if he just enjoys the silliness of it all. Drake finally gives in and starts laughing along with everyone. As he chuckles, hiccup. One last gigantic puff of smoke comes out and then nothing. The hiccups are gone. The villagers cheer, and Drake is relieved. He promises to visit more often, but hopefully without the hiccups next time. Drake waves goodbye and takes off into the sky, this time with no hiccups in sight.